Are you ready to transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, mastering this platform is essential. In this guide, we will unveil powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock you the full potential of LinkedIn together. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into linkedin.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and achievement. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of resources, including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. So stay tuned until the end of this video where we will reveal insider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss our step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to attract recruiters and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn's full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So the first step that you have to do is just sign up. So you'll find this page and you have just to click over join now and to write your personal information like your email address and your password, then your name and your city and your street and your address as well. So then you click over sign in and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have the home page. So we have here various options. For example, in the home, we have here if you want to add a photo, connections here. If you want here achieve your career goals, we have here groups, events, followed hashtags as well. And here we have also prepare for your job search. For example, you can just add your work experience and skills to show your strengths to recruiters and update profile as well. Then here we have start post trial writing with EA. For example, we have a media, event, write article. And if you want to see new posts and search for work, you have just to click over here and you follow or some corporations and something like that. And for example, here we have also messaging. You can also start messaging here and you search for your coworkers, recruiters, and you start with it. Here we have also others and we have here focused. This is about this one. Then we have here my networking as well. So about this one we have two options, grow and we have catch up here. About the grow, here we have no pending invitations. You have if you want to manage, then you have you achieve your goals faster with premium, see who's viewed your profile and directly message members outside of your networking. You can just get started with this one. Then we have here catch up as well. Here we have job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, education. So you click over here, grow your network, and you start with it. So here we have job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, and we have education. Then here we have the option of jobs. This is how people actually use LinkedIn. So here we have suggest for job searchers. For example, front marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google analyst. Here we have see the full list of jobs where you be to a top applicant. So we have here want more jobs. Click here to continue searching over 20 million jobs on LinkedIn. I have just to click over here and search jobs. Then here we have the option of preferences, my jobs, interview prep. Then we have you post a job with EA. Here we have job seeker guidance. I want to improve my resume. Explore our curated guide of expert-led courses such as how to improve your resume and grow your network to help you land your next opportunity. So as you can see, here we have also If you want to improve your resume, we have explored our curated guide of expert-led courses such as how to improve your resume and grow your network to help you land your next opportunity. Also, we have here messaging. About this one, you have just to select phone read, drafts, my connections, email, and we have also start. You have just to type a name or multiple names here, and then you send a message. Then here we have notification as well. For example, if you want jobs, my posts, mentions, and then we have here go to home if you want. And also we have here for my business. For example, if you want to here find new clients, groups, talents, we have talents insights, post a job. Then we have here sales, like service marketplace, marketing, we have advertise, learning, we have here learning, and here we have explore more business. For example, here we have hire on LinkedIn, sell with LinkedIn, post a job for free, advertise on LinkedIn. Then we have get started with premium, learn with LinkedIn, and admin center. So for example, you click over create a company page here, and you have here connect with clients, employees, and the LinkedIn community. To get started, choose a page type. For example, if you want company, small, medium, and large business, showcase page, pages associated with an existing page. Then we have here educational institution also, like schools and universities. So LinkedIn serves as a powerful platform for professional networking, enabling users to connect, collaborate, and showcase their skills. It facilitates career advancement by offering opportunities for job searching and recruitment. The platform also fosters knowledge sharing through industry insights and discussions. Overall, LinkedIn is essential for building a robust professional presence in today's digital landscape. So this is how you can get started with LinkedIn. So you can just right now know more information about LinkedIn, how it works, and start searching a job, or you can just start meeting some people, or some positive people, or some creative people that could help you on your whole life. So let's get started with LinkedIn and find your dream job, such as marketing, public administration, healthcare, engineering, IT services, sustainability, and we have business administration, telecommunications, HR management, and so other things. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.